here's a little food for thought. I'm going to keep this very short, guys, because I know you guys don't like watching these long videos. So why would BlackRock be interested in buying and purchasing our Bitcoin up here for this, and for this market to keep going higher, when on June 16th-ish or so, 2023, let's go ahead and mark this right there. It's probably best to do this on daily. This is when they first announced right here that they would be filing a spot Bitcoin ETF application right there. So, if you're a major market maker and a venture capitalist firm sitting on an idea and you make a news thing like that, there's no telling what level they bought it in at, but I tell you what, it's not going to be up here. I can also tell you what, this is not a kind of financial advice or speculation. I'm just telling you how smart people would operate. They bought it clearly, even if it was the day before this level at 24,809, or maybe they've been sitting on this idea for a while, but they bought this at a lower price than we are now, and there's a highly probable chance that everyone else who wasn't on that boat then will now be dumping this market shortly, in my opinion, to get as low of a buy as possible.